So welcome back again your own channel. So in today's video I am going to tell you for unlocking process for Realme, Oppo, Poco, Vivo, Samsung, Xiaomi handset. Due to the many comments on this handset, so it's known from the comments that there is a lots of locking complaint is coming. So in today's video I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home without going to any service center. Just you have to follow some simple step with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip, then you will be able to understand the whole process very well. So this method is called offline method, and you can able to see this phone is locked through the password lock. So I am going to start, but I am before going to start I will share you one thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is your and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handset. So let's focus on the process. So I'm going to start. Let's start this process. Now you can able to see this phone is locked to the password, and below this screen you can able to see emergency calls option is here. So I'm going to click here. You have to click on it on your also and on an Android phone. So now I'm going to share this code a star has 6580096 a star 566. After that you have to press hash, and this code is very important for all the Android viewers, and this is valid for September 2023. Now I'm going to zoom, because if you want to note down, please note down this code. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. There are so many comments, negative comments are coming. You are unlocking through the backside finger lock, so there is no finger lock. After that you have to call here. You get a pop-up message on the screen, so ignore this message. After that you have to erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. Now you can able to see engineer mode page is activated on your screen. First check your software version, and now you can check on second number Android version. My Android version is 12. So I am going to the last slide. After factory version you have to click on as per your Android version. Similarly your Android version is 8956 anything, so you have to click on the same number on your factory version. After that you have to come back from this option and click on manual test. Second row device debugging page. Now you have to check your gyroscope test and gyroscope cell test, and you have to start here. It's working or not. If working, then your phone must be unlocked. So you have to press on a start during the test. Now you have to check proximity sensor test, and second row proximity calibration, confirm here. After that you have to click on sensor self test and calibration. You can able to see gyroscope and accelerometer both are operation is not started. You have to press on the both option without any delay. One must have to be passed, because without this process we cannot go for the next step. This is very important for us. You have to press on the same time without any delay. You have to apply and apply till passed option. So you have to click here. Again we have to apply. So now finally gyroscope is passed. Now you have to come back, and after that the last process is the others. After sliding the last option, you can able to see others option is coming. There are 4 5 option is coming. So as per Android version and the previous step, you have to click here the same number as per your database mainboard version or Android version. So I'm going to click here 12 times without any delay. So rewrite important lock test, confirm here, and your phone must be wrong password is shown. It means your phone is unlocked. You can check through the key status, yeah, reading receipt complete indicator. If you and you can able to see, my friend, here pass option is coming. Now after completing the whole process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock is of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise let's press the home button. And as you can see, my dear friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of any data or application. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.